Good morning, everyone. This video will present to you the proving of formula and codes in theory of congruence. This contains the codes of month, year, and day. To find the day of the week at the given date, we will use the Gregorian calendar as our basis in proving these codes and formula. The Gregorian calendar was named after Pope Gregory VIII for the reason that the Julian calendar assumed incorrectly that the average solar year is 365.25 days long and for the Christian churches to calculate the day of Easter. The Gregorian calendar is composed of 12 months, 52 weeks, and 365 days and 366 for the leap if the year is divisible by 4. Except for years that is exactly divisible by 100. Let's start with days. Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday is 4, Friday is 5, Saturday is 6, and Sunday is 7 or 0. So the average length of year is 400 times 365 plus 4 times 24 plus 1 over 400. So it became 365.24 days. So since every 400 year is a leap year, every century we will have an every century we will have an extra days in the century that does not start on a leap year. That's why 1600s is 0, 1700s is 5, 1800s is 3, 1900s is 1, and 2000s or 2000s is 0. And 2100s is 5, 2200s is 3, 2300s is 1. So, with the data from the codes of the week, we can now have the month code. Every month has its corresponding days. You can see it in the screen. And we have also there its extra day for every month. As you can observe it has a pattern starting from March to December. But every 5 months there are 231-day months in a row. So 13 over 5 is equal to 2.6. If we multiply 2.6, then deduct 0.2 to the month's number or order from 1 to 12, we can now have the codes. Also note that we will deduct 1 year if the date falls in January and February since it came from the previous year. With that, we have now the codes for months, days, and year. Now, let's solve for the day of my birthday. So, I was born in the year 2000 on the 30th of October. And to find or to determine the day of the week that I was born, first thing that we should do is to calculate for the year code. And in calculating the year code, we will use the formula, the last two digit of the year that I was born plus the last two digit of the year that I was born over 4. Since I was born in the year 2000, or so we will just input the last two digit plus the last two digit over 4, which is equal to 0. And then the next thing to do is to calculate for the month code. So in calculating the month code, we will use these codes: 0325, 0351, and 4624 from January to December. Since I was born in the month of October and October falls in the code of number 6, so our month code will be 6. And next is to calculate the century code, which is equal to 0 since I was born in the year 2000 by using the codes 0531, 0531 from 1600s to 2000s. So 2000s falls to the code of 0. and add it to the date, which is 30, we get 36 modulo 7. So 36 divided by 7, the remainder is 1. So the day of my birthday is Monday. That's all. Thank you.